You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Make way. Gonna get flashier than Mardi Gras around here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Frank, it's been a while since Shanghai.
Yeah, I'm not traveling as much. Unless I get blasted into another timeline.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I reckon this battle's gonna be more fun than pig wrestling at the county fair.
Thanks for the boost.
That was good. Just the boost I need.
Well, who's up to no good?
The bad guy. Thanks for the boost. Double down. Moonlight justice. Should have kept that Ankh soldier. C'est la vie.
Break real nice.
It's the lay of the bomb.
I'll catch you up.
Business.
You messed with the roof. Thanks for the boost.
Well, look who's up to no good.
Gambit got your back.
Hook me up.
My God's down.
This is real firepower.
Ain't ready for Rogue to be a widow. Not yet.
Extreme force. Go down. That fucking hurt.
Knew I saw trouble. That was good. You're welcome. Just the boost I need.
The moon haunts you.
Should have folded. Can't keep this Cajun down for long.
Perk me up.
Thanks for the boost.
Down to 30 seconds.
Ooh-wee.
seconds! Taking it all!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Somewhere.
Look who's here.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Now you do the same for me, we.
You haven't lost your touch, Rogue.
All we gotta do is deliver the statue? Easy peasy.
Wakanda must be cleansed of this corruption.
Messed up there.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Just the boost I need.
Thanks for the boost.
Director's injured. Mayday.
They never stood a chance.
The symbiote.
Laissez le bon temps brûler.
Get that vehicle moving again. Only 60 seconds left.
It never falls! The moon haunts you! Should have kept that on
Get that vehicle moving again. Down to 30 seconds. Double KO.
This case you down for long.
The final 10 seconds. The current score is 1-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Make way for the King of Thieves.
Round 2, go!
Oh, pick me! Pick me!
Please?
Gonna get flashier than Mardi Gras around here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I bet an army of squirrels will make fantastic thieves. You can steal anything.
It's because I'm a hero and stealing is bad. Right?
That depends on what you're stealing and who you're stealing it from, Cher.
No. I won't let you.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Hey, quick cue. Does anyone get the feeling that Loki has bigger plans than just ruling Asgard?
shield. Merci.
Hey,
Look over
stop
there.
the punch.
Look over there. Look over there. Something seems fishy here.
You would have failed without me.
I got hit, like, hard! Help never hurt. I appreciate you.
Got me good. The southern bell got rocked. Stay focused.
My friends are here!
Wait! That hit the spot. Lucky draw.
I appreciate you.
Lucky draw. That was a losing hand.
Laissez le bon temps brûler.
Woke me up.
A helping hand.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Help never hurt.
Got me good. Double down.
At least you went out with a bang, Jeeps.
Just the boost I need. That was a lead.
Ouch, that hurts!
Much better.
Ain't ready for Rogue to be a widow. Not yet.
My friends are here! Better stop that vehicle!
Restoring.
Final score, 1-2-2. Well, you can't expect to win them all. The right heroes could make all the difference. one, go! I'm Luna Snow. I'm overdue for a little good karma.
Mutant magic!
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
When the Black Panther became a vampire not long ago, his heart-shaped herb was able to...
Cosmic collab!
Do you think the same trick would work on me?
Perhaps. Yeah, but only if you happen to have a trace of Wakandan royal blood running.
The battle starts in 5.
Thanks for the
4,
shield.
3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Dr. Doom tore everything apart. I want to be a part of putting it back together. Do I know like the girl? That one hurt. I suppose that helps.
I don't have to be center stage.
Much better. My strength is renewed. I'm hulking!
My biggest fans! Yikes, that hurt!
Sorry about
I suppose that helps. The mighty Magneto. That one hurt.
Another hit for
I'm hulking!
I was worried.
They're coming from behind.
Help me out! I specialize.
Get ready to defend. Let the sparks fly!
Your battle will be longer than any.
See them? I am ready to put on a show! Snowball fight! I suck! Control! You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks! A nice deep freeze. Better stop that vehicle! It's okay. Time for a blow-up!
I'm very hard.
Double kill! I'm making a comeback.
You belong to me! Help never hurt. That hurt! Help me out! I suppose that helps.
A nice deep freeze. Be your best self. Better stop that vehicle! Time for a blow-up! Can't wait! Stop them! My biggest fans!
Supernova!
I don't have to be center stage.
I feel like myself
I like the cold.
Help never hurt.
Much better.
Look at that! I'm hurt.
a snowball in the face.
There's no chance to stop them!
Feeling way better already.
Better stop that vehicle!
I like the cold.
Feeling
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
trouble has arrived.
I am ready to put on a show!
Behind you.
My strength is
I like the cold.
Way to go! That vehicle isn't going anywhere.
Who could fight the... I'm making a comeback. Blow up.
It seems we have company.
Better stop that vehicle!
You belong to me!
I like the cold.
Mutant kind!
Cosmic collapse.
I feel like myself again.
I suck.
It's now or never! Stop them!
It's okay. Admit it.
Only 60 seconds left.
My biggest fans.
I'm
I suck. Someone needs
Down
a
to 30 seconds.
We're so close. So hang on. Close.
Don't give them another inch. Or else. Better stop that vehicle! The final 10 seconds!
Supernova!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
Time for fireworks!
Someone needs a snowball in the face.
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm Luna Snow. Like the moon, I shine in darkness.
Oh, pick me! Pick me! Please!
Cover your ears! Jubilee is...
Round
The
2!
fangs are
Stop.
about to come out!
Right click.
Left click.
Blood energy, go!
Stand back! Or don't!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Yours could be of
this big will push me to my mental limits.
Yes, the problem solving certainly has its value.
Huh. Now I see why Susan insisted.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it? Help me out!
Pretty sure I'm technically undead. Yeah, life energy, yeah!
Fantastic.
Tick, tick, boom! Youch, that hurts!
Well, look who's up to no good.
Let the sparks fly! Life energy, yeah! Let the sparks fly! Life energy, yeah!
Flame fire!
An extra life? Sweet! Face and famine! It hurts! Help me out! Life energy, yeah!
Flame fireworks kick.
Horsemen of Apocalypse don't go down so easy.
Gonna get flashier than Mardi
Sister
Gras
is
around
not
here.
gonna be happy about this, Johnny.
Got me good.
How many of them are there? Too many. Ionic burst!
Lucky draw.
Problem solved!
Only 60 seconds left. Double kill!
Gambit coming back for more.
We're vastly outnumbered.
Down to 30 seconds.
Supernova!
Ticket.